Hello students, year 7, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. In the previous video, I started a topic from chemistry parts and we talked about solutions. What is solutions? Let me remind all this that we have studied in the, we talked in the previous video. Solutions, a heterogeneous mixture, and it consists of two or more components. The component that gets dissolved is called solute, and the component which this actually solute gets dissolved. Okay, and what is solvent? Now with dissolves the solute. Now if we have to give an example, then in the concept of solute and solvent, then salt solution. Salt solution. Solution means if we talk only about salt solution, then it's obvious of water. Salt mixed in the water. Now here salt gets mixed in water. That's why salt is the solute and water will obviously be the solvent. Now here we can say solution equals to solute plus solvent. Solution is an homogeneous mixture. Now on the type of amount of solute mixed, two types of solution, dilute and concentrated. Dilute in a fixed volume of solvent, less amount of solute. If I am taking two beakers, A and B, both will equal amount of water, equal amount of solvent, less salt, dilute solution, more salt, concentrated solution. That means the solution which contains the higher amount of solute, solution which contains the lower amount of solute, dilute. Saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated. First we move on to unsaturated solution, the solutions that can dissolve more solute. That means the solution that is hungry, it asks for more solute. I can dissolve you. Come on, give me some more solute. Okay. Then next type of saturated, it doesn't want any of the solute. It cannot dissolve further solute. If we go on mixing the solute in the unsaturated solution, there will be one time when the solute starts dissolving. That type of solution is called saturated solutions. Now, whenever there is a formation of saturated solution, if we heat this saturated solution, again it says that I am hungry. That type of solution is called supersaturated solution. And these supersaturated solutions, it contains excess amount of solute, more amount of solute than the saturated one. Now this was the revision on the previous topic that we discussed. Now let us move on to the crystals. Now crystals, they are substances, actually two types of substance on the basis of molecules. Crystalline substance and amorphous substances. Amorphous substances. Here in class 7 we will talk about crystals. Crystal means that are of fixed geometrical shape. The molecules of the substances that are of fixed geometrical shapes are called crystals. Now here there are some of the shapes of crystals. There are many. These shapes are the common shapes of the formations of a crystal. We can say crystals of a sodium chloride, crystal of a copper sulfate. That means sodium chloride forms crystal. That means it is a crystalline substance. Copper sulfate forms a crystal. That means it is also a crystalline substance. Now, whenever there is a solution of crystalline substances, then we can obtain the crystal of those substances from the solution. That process is called crystallization. The process of obtaining crystal from a hot saturated solutions. Okay, that means if we obtain a crystal from a hot saturated solutions, then that process is crystallization. Actually, the solution must be supersaturated, since here is the word hot. A hot saturated means obviously it will be supersaturated. If we increase the temperature of a saturated solution, it becomes supersaturated solutions. Okay. Now let me explain you on activity of obtaining the crystallizations. Here in the figure, this is a solutions of CuSO4. Solution of CuSO4, that is a copper sulfate. That means, and we can see this is a burner connected to a gas, and this is the stand, isn't it? Okay. This is a wire gas. You know why wire gas is used in chemistry while heating? So that the direct flame of heat doesn't reach to the beaker, to the apparatus that we are heating. If we give the direct flame to the apparatus made of glass, it may break down. That's why, to prevent that direct heating, we use wire gas. And in the solutions, now after heating, here what we get is, there is the evaporation process starts. Evaporation means the water, since it is a solution of copper sulfate, standard solutions of copper sulfate means there is a presence of copper sulfate and water. Now the water starts to evaporate, and so we can see the formation of a vapor, water vapor. Now the solution, it turned into supersaturated solution, or also we can say hot saturated solution. This supersaturated solution, now after heating for some time, will cool it down, and after cooling, if we leave a thread after cooling for about 10 to 12 hours, we can obtain the crystal of the solute, because the solution is supersaturated. This supersaturated solution, when cool, it starts to throw the excess solute that we have dissolved, and while throwing that excess solute, okay, this is excess solute thrown, this copper sulfate, they will be in the crystal shape. Why crystal shape? Because copper sulfate is an example of crystalline substances. In the separate solutions, what we have to know that what is the general concepts of solutions. After reading mixture, solutions, homogeneous mixture, what are solute and solvent, their examples, dilute and concentrated solutions, supersaturated, saturated and unsaturated solutions, and what are crystals and what is the process of crystallizations. I hope this is clear about the topic solutions. Keep tuning into Distance Learning Center of West Montessori Elementary School. Have a good time ahead. Bye bye. Thank you.